In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Confluence space. Whether you're moving content from another tool or bringing in an HTML export, I'll walk you through the process so you know exactly what to expect and how to avoid common hiccups. First, open your browser and go to startatlassian.com. Sign in to your account so you can access Confluence. Once you're in, look to the left-hand panel and click on Spaces. This is where all your spaces live, and it's also where the import option is located. Next, choose Import from other tools. Here you'll see options to bring content in from supported apps. If your content comes from a tool like Notion, select it so Confluence can map things as smoothly as possible. If you don't see your app listed or you're working with an export, choose HTML import. This is a great fallback when you have a set of pages exported as HTML files. Now it's time to upload your file. Confluence expects a single zip file that contains your export. Make sure your export is clean and that it's zipped before you continue. Click Upload, locate your zip file, select it, and open. Give the upload a moment to process, especially if the file is large or your network is slower. When the file is recognized, click Next. You'll be asked to name your new space. Choose a name that clearly describes the content you're importing so teammates can find it easily later. Clear naming helps with search and avoids confusion if you already have similar spaces. You'll also set your space permissions. This defines who can view, edit, or administer the space. If you're unsure, start with more limited access and expand it after you've verified the imported content looks correct. You can always adjust permissions later in space settings. Click Next to review your choices, then click Start Import. Confluence will process the zip, create the space, and bring in the pages and attachments it can recognize. The duration depends on the size and complexity of your export. If you see a progress indicator, let it complete before navigating away. Once it finishes, your new space will appear under Spaces. The import is designed to be straightforward, but if anything looks off, you can repeat the process with an updated export or refine your HTML structure before trying again. And that's it. Simple, flexible, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your content into Confluence with confidence.